Now let's move to the top of the file, create a few new lines before our require once function, and we start with object form equals new form. And we also create the instance of the validation class, so object valid equals new validation. And we're passing the instance of the form class to it. Now we create the instance of the catalog class as well, so object catalog equals new catalog. And now we create a array category equals object catalog get categories. Okay, now that we have categories available to us, we can scroll down to our form and first of all check which if we obviously have any categories. So if we scroll after our option select one, we're going to check if question mark PHP if, and it's going to be is an empty category. Actually, we could call it categories as it's an array. Let's do it now, categories, and also change the name here, categories. If it's an empty, then we're gonna go for each loop categories as cat, just to make it shorter. And then obviously we need to close for each statement, and inside of the for each statement we're gonna start with option value, which will be PHP echo cat ID. We can close this opening, and then we obviously choose the option to close it. Now after this value, we also will have to add sticky form fields, but that just in just a second. Obviously we need to display the name of the categories, so PHP echo, let's make a helper encode HTML, and we put cat name, which is category name basically. So if we save it now, go back to our browser, click on new product, you can see we've got category, and we have all these categories displayed here the way they basically should be displayed. So if we go back, now we need to apply obviously our sticky form fields after our option value equals, after the closing double quote, we're going to type echo object form instance sticky select, and we pass in the first parameter, which is the name of the field, so it's category. Then we have value cat ID, through which we are currently looping, and then just semicolon and close the PHP tag. We can actually move this one here right after that. So that's all fine. If we save this, go back, now refresh, everything's fine. If we select one of the categories and click on add, you can see it stays inside of our select field. The same if we change it back to select one. So let's move to the next video.